Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair video with my favorite company. This is my favorite Aliexpress company, Iseehair. So they have now sent me a 4x4 body wave 24-inch Brazilian hair. In this package I got lashes, wig cap, a brochure, and nothing else. All right, so let's see this body wave. Oh my god, you guys, look at the texture of that body wave. Like I said, it's a 4x4 closure wig, comes with the clips, adjustable elastic band as usual. So to start styling the hair, I am going to be spraying this got to be spray onto the lace, then shaking my spray tan properly, leaving a huge distance between the lace. I am going to be spraying that tan spray and just tinting my lace. So I'm gonna put this on to the mannequin head, and this is where I'm going to be styling the hair because I want to show you guys how I achieve an amazing body wave curls. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze a little bit of that lace just so I am not getting a straight lace hairline. And I'm just gonna leave out some baby hairs right there. So I'm doing a center parting. I'm just gonna part the hair. Then I'm gonna use my styling wax stick to tame this hair and also keep it flat at the crown. So I'm gonna use my hot comb. I will be linking every single thing that I use down below. So what I want to do is I'm just gonna flick the front just a little bit. Okay, now to start curling, I want to teach you guys this technique that I learned from Beauty by Bemi. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Tresemme heat protecting spray, which I'm going to be spraying onto the hair first and then obviously brushing it. Then I'm going to use this curling wand from Babyliss, which is slightly chunkier at the bottom and smaller towards the end. I'm going to curl going off my face. So I'm curling in that direction. So you'll be curling away from your face, okay? Then I'm gonna hold it in for 10 seconds and then I'm just gonna let the curls drop. So let's repeat that step. So we're gonna take a little bit of section from the hair and we are going to be curling it away from the face like so. And then we are going to be hold it in for about 10 seconds. Okay, so now once we get to the back, we are going to be curling underneath, just like so. So instead of away from the face, and no, we will be curling it from the bottom, just like that. Once we get to the other side of the hair, we are going to be curling away from the face. We will be curling away from the face when it comes to the front part. Once you get to the back, it will be from the bottom. Does that make sense? So I'm now just gonna cut off the lace first. And then I'm going to be adjusting the elastic band by crisscrossing it. This way I feel like it sits in very well. It sits in properly. So I'm just wearing a wig cap, and this will also help the tint, the lace tint, look like skin. And then I'm going to be trimming my baby hairs and also just styling them. just look at these curls, you guys. We haven't even opened it yet. So we are going to be opening the curls a little bit because I really don't like that stiff look. You know, it looks kind of stiff when you don't open your curls. So it's always best that you brush through or use like a wide comb to just like comb through the curls, and this way you can get that beautiful body wave texture. Now I'm just going to be trimming the front of this so that when we curl it next time, we could get like a really nice layer. So I'm just opening the curls even more. This hair is so beautiful, you guys. Like, ISEE is one of my favorite companies, like I said, and I feel like they always deliver. Now I'm going to use a powder to just put on my parting and just make it look more natural, basically. And then I'm going to use this argan oil to just give the hair a little bit of sheen. So I'm just curling some more because I've probably lost like a little bit of curl pattern there in the front. So I'm curling away from my face. Make sure you guys check ISEE hair down below. I'll be linking all the information about this hair and all their other hairs that they have available on their website. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I will be seeing you on my next video. Bye.